Rimac Automobili become famous with the concept_1 electric hypercar, and earned considerably more consideration when Richard Hammond drove one off the side of a slope. In front of the 2018 Geneva Motor Show, Rimac started prodding its cutting edge of hypercar. Presently, the Rimac C_2, as it is called, has touched base in all its electric magnificence. It's fueled by 4 electric engines giving a sum of 1,914 pull and 1,696 pound-feet of torque. That'll push it from 0-60 miles for every hour in only 1.85 seconds, and to a best speed of 258 miles per hour it'll complete a quarter mile in 9.1 seconds. In the event that appears to be outrageous, and it is, be consoled by the way that exclusive 150 cases of this electric monster will be released upon the world. At the point when not driving it as hard as one can, its fluid-cooled 120 kWh battery pack gives around 404 miles of driving extent, allowed that is on the liberal neg cycle. It's equipped for 250 kW energizing, which can resupply to 80% of its driving reach in less than 30 minutes. The C_2 has dynamic optimal design, including front and back diffusers, hood folds, raised wing, and underbody gulfs and outlets. These can be changed in accordance with give more effectiveness and cooling, or to forfeit some elusiveness for downforce. Its torque vectoring framework additionally assists with steadiness. The C_2 has a suite of sensors intended for possible level 4 self-governing driving. It's furnished with 8 cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, maybe a couple LiDAR and 6 radar units. These produce 8 terabytes of information consistently. Obviously, that full robotization will come later. However, we don't envision clients will be super fretful to have the auto assume control over the driving obligations. Until at that point, the C_2 offers driver help highlights like programmed crisis braking, path keeping help and versatile voyage control.